Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 26 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exams. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Okay, and those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who became the fourth nation to get IMO nod for navigation satellite system? USA, India, Russia, or option D, China? The correct answer here is India. So option B is correct here. Recently, India became the fourth nation to get the IMO nod for the navigation satellite system, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, IRNSS. Okay, and recently IRNSS recently recognized by IMO. Abbreviation is International Maritime Organization. Okay. Our second question was, who chaired the 15th G20 summit in 2020? Australia, India, Saudi Arabia, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Saudi Arabia. The 15th G20 summit was held under the chairmanship of the Saudi Arabia, and the King Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud of the Saudi Arabia chaired this meeting. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women observed? 24 November, 25 November, 26 November, or option D, 27 November? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is 25 November. So option B is correct here. International Day for the Elimination of the Violence Against Women. It is observed every year in 25 November. Okay. Next question. Who has won Best Drama Series at the International Emmy Award? Delhi Crime, Ashram, Play 5, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Delhi Crime. So option A is correct here. Recently, the Netflix show Delhi Crime has won the Best Drama Series Award at the 48 International Emmy Award 2020. International Emmy Award 2020. It is the 48th award. Okay. Delhi Crime. Remember the series name. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Who has launched historic Chang'e 5 mission to collect lunar sample? For lunar mission. Okay, India, China, Brazil, or option D, Japan? The correct answer here is China. So option B is correct here. Okay, recently China has launched a historic mission Chang'e 5 to the moon to collect the first lunar sample for the lunar collecting the lunar sample. Okay, you can see here the Chang'e 5 rocket. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched Him Suraksha Abhijan? West Bengal, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, or option D, Karnataka? The correct answer here is Himachal Pradesh. So option C is correct here. Recently, Himachal Pradesh government has launched Him Suraksha Abhijan to sensitize the people regarding COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, remember the campaign name Him Suraksha Abhijan. It is launched in Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Question number 5. Who has inaugurated the Fakwara Mega Food Park? Narendra Singh Tomar, Prahlad Singh Patel, Amit Shah, or option D, Prakash Javadekar? Can you identify the image here? It is the image of Narendra Singh Tomar, Union Minister. Okay. So recently, the Union Food Processing Industries Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has virtually inaugurated the about 107.83 mega food park at Punjab. 107.8 crore estimated mega food park at Punjab. It is launched in the mega food park Phagwara is launched in, remember, Punjab. Okay. Next question. Nivar, a severe cyclonic storm, started in which sea? Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Bay of Bengal. Okay. Recently, the deep depression over the southwest Bay of Bengal has intensified into the cyclonic storm Nivar, and today it is a hit on the Tamil Nadu and the Puducherry coast. Okay, it is a deep depression. Remember, it is a deep depression and it is started in southwest Bay of Bengal. Southwest Bay of Bengal. Okay. Next question. Who is the second richest person of the world? Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or option D, none of these. The MD and the founder of the SpaceX, Elon Musk. The correct answer is Elon Musk. Recently, Elon Musk is the second richest person of the world after Jeff Bezos. The first person is achieved by the Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos is in the first position. Elon Musk, the founder of the SpaceX, is in the second position, and Bill Gates, the famous MD and the owner of the Microsoft, Bill Gates, is in the third position recently. Okay, the top richest person of the world. Question number 8. Pilivit Tiger Reserve of which state got global award for doubling tiger population? Sorry, it is population. Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, or option D, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so option A is correct here. Recently, the Pilivit Tiger Reserve (PTR), it is in short form, it is also known as PTR. The Pilivit Tiger Reserve and the UP Forest Department have backed the first ever international award TX2 for doubling the number of the tiger in 4 years. The target is in the 10 year, but they achieved the target within the 4 year. And remember the tiger reserve, Pilivit Tiger Reserve. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. When Martyrdom Day of Guru Tegh Bahadur is observed? 23 November, 24 November, 25 November, option D, none of these. Every year it is observed in 24 November. So option B is correct here. Every year on November 24, is celebrated. The November 24 is celebrated as the Martyrdom Day of the Guru Tegh Bahadur. Okay, you can see here the image of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Okay. Next question. Ashish Roy passed away. He was related to which field? Actor, writer, journalist, or option D, none of these. He was a very famous television actor, TV actor. Okay. Recently, the TV actor Ashish Roy passed away, and he began his career in 1997. Okay. We can see here the image of Ashish Roy. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who is hosted the 2020 APEC Summit? Our second question is, first cow hospital of Northeast inaugurated in which state? Please try to answer in the comment section, thereby regular practice is done by you. And sorry for the today's current affairs update. Okay, due to some reason I can't upload it morning. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.